Barry Harwell says, Ben Stroud at Another Story has created a system that is unparalleled in terms of convenience for clients and ease of use for contractors. I'm thankful that someone with his vast array of experience created a system that is not only end-user friendly in terms of cost and convenience, but contractor friendly, allowing the clients to stay in their homes while all of the construction is going on above their heads is a money saver for sure and a huge time saver. Josh Dean says, I've done a few second story additions using the Another Story system. This process is incredible and so much better than doing second level adds the old way. By reducing exposure, building a new floor system only after a new roof is installed, the whole remodeling process becomes almost a new construction project. Ben and his team have enabled my remodeling business to expand and have a more substantial offering to our clients who are looking to add space to their home. And I highly recommend any homeowner or remodeler to seriously consider using Another Story system. We are launching our contractor network, and the first people who are out there will in fact be the leaders of this new revolutionary system. And so I want you to get in. I want you to be part of the front runners of what we've got going on and see if what we're talking about makes sense for you. Come check out Another Story.